Hello, my name is Hannah Queen, and I am your instructor today. And this is our first lesson of the Tarot 101 class. Today, we will be learning the difference between the major arcana and the minor arcana. The difference between the major arcana is arcana means knowledge, and major is the major knowledge that is either your spiritual lessons in your lifetime, and these are lessons that has happened or lessons that will happen, spiritual lessons. And the minor arcana is minor knowledge. These are events and situations or experiences that has take place in your life or will take place in your life. Some of these, the major arcana and the minor arcana has different meanings in each card. And with the major arcana, these spiritual lessons are like faith, surrender, the healing power of solitude, death, rebirth, healing your shadow self, and patience. And when you think of my major arcana, you're looking at and when you're looking at the deck of cards, the major arcana has 22 cards. And in the tarot deck, for example, you have strength, the star, the magician, and the hermit. And all of these are major arcana cards. And now with the minor arcana, there is 56 cards, and which is divided up in 4 suits. And there are wands, swords, and pentacles. And there are numbers, ace meaning 1 to 10. For example, you have the ace of wands, the ace of cups, the ace of swords, and the ace of pentacles. Each suit represents the different elements of life, which we will reflect on in the readings. The minor arcana cards also include 4 court cards: page, knight, queen, and king of each suit. So you will have the page of wands, the knight of wands, the queen of wands, the king of wands. And the most important thing to remember is that the minor arcana can be changed, and they are not set in stone. And the major arcana cannot be changed, and because they are spiritual lessons, they cannot be changed. Like, you cannot change anything. Now, you can change negative cards in the major arcana, but you cannot change, you can change negative cards in the minor arcana, but you cannot change the major arcana negative cards. Please don't be concerned if it doesn't make sense to you right now, because farther along in the course, we will get into each of these separated so you will understand each of them. Now, each suit represents the element of life, and this is something that you will want to write down. Swords is the element of air, pentacles is the element of earth, and cups is the element of water, and wands is the element of fire. Cups can also be called bows or hearts, basically playing cards. If you have playing cards, your hearts is the cups. Wands can be clubs, rods, spears, or arrows. So if you have playing cards, the wands is clubs, okay? Pentacles can also be called coins, stones, disc, shield, or talisman, which pentacles are the spades. And then you have the swords, which can be the blade, the knife, the arrow, and the feather. And they will be the diamonds, okay? And once we start into this class, you will learn each card separate, one by one. I will get into interpretations of each card, how to use these while you're reading using your intuition. The things that I am going to The things that I want you to understand is, because I'm giving you my interpretation of each card doesn't necessarily mean that the interpretation that I'm giving you are the interpretation that you're going to get for each person, okay? So, when I get into the next lesson, we will start with the major arcana first, and um you will see the difference. So, for homework today, which is due tomorrow, this is your first homework assignment. I want you to tell me what the major arcana card, the major arcana mean and what it means to you. I have gave you the meaning, but I want you to tell me what the major arcana and the minor arcana means to you as you looking in your as you after you watch this video. Can you tell me, I want you to tell me what major arcana and minor arcana means to you. Just the words major arcana and minor arcana. I want you to tell me what each of those words means to you, and I will want it in 2 to 3 sentences. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys Monday.